ఎందుకు ఇలా అయిపోయింది? ఇది గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవటం లేదు. ఇది పడిపోతుంది. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. ఇలా పట్టుకో, ఇక్కడ పట్టుకో. మహాగణాధిపతే గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. Now you can see a question on the board. 2 by 3 and minus 3 are the zeros of ax square plus bx, 7x plus b. Find the values of a and b. This is an important type of question in polynomials. This is a quadratic polynomial and its two zeros are given. We know every quadratic polynomial is having two zeros and those two zeros are given. But here the coefficients, x square coefficient and constant, both are missing. We need to find out them. Okay na? How to do it? It is given that 2 by 3 is a zero of that polynomial. Just insert 2 by 3 in the place of x square x. A into 2 by 3 whole square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. Why we have to put is equal to 0? Given 2 by 3 is a solution for this. That means we need 2 by 3 must satisfy the given polynomial. That means remainder 0. Now simplify this. A into 4 by 9 plus 7 into 2 by 3, sorry, I forgot to write over here, plus b is equal to 0. So 4a by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. Then 4a by 9 plus b is equal to negative 14 by 3. From this we can write b is equal to negative 14 by 3 minus 4a by 2 by 3 is a solution for this one. That means this 2 by 3 must satisfy this polynomial. So I am inserting 2 by 3 in the place of x. So what I got? 4a by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. So from this I can write b is equal to negative 14 by 3 minus 4a by 9. Now, see, it is also given that negative 3 is also a 0 of the given polynomial. So what we have to do? We have to insert negative 3 also. A into negative 3 square plus 7 into negative 3 plus b is equal to 0. 9a minus 21 plus b is equal to 0. So from this also I can write b is equal to 21 minus 9a. From this, now you see here, b is equal to this much we got from this equation, and b is equal to this much I got from this equation. See here, b is equal to this one and b is equal to this one. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. There is a axiom in Euclid geometry. Okay. Now, so what we can write here? Negative 14 by 3 minus 4a by 9 is equal to 21 minus 9a. Children, find out a value. Negative 14 by 3 minus 4a by 9 is equal to 21 minus 9a. Simplify and find out a value. Here we can take LCM as 9. So 3 times negative 42 minus 4a is equal to 21 minus 9a. Negative 42 minus 4a is equal to this. We go that side and get multiplied. 189 minus 81a. Find out a value. Find out a value, children. So, negative 4a plus 81a is equal to 189 plus 42. So this will be 77a and this will be 120, 220, 231. Then a is equal to 231 by 77. 231 by 77, which is 3. 77 3s are 231. Now we got a value 3. Now find b from this. B is equal to 21 minus 9a. 21 minus 9 into 3. B value how much? B value how much? Everyone wrong. B value negative 6, not 6. Everyone wrong. 21 minus 27, it is negative 6, not positive 6. Eh? So everyone is writing as positive 6.
చేయి ఇంకంత గట్టిగా పట్టుకుంటున్నా వదిలే అటు వదిలే చేయి సింపుల్గా పట్టుకుంటున్నా అంతే కనీసం ఇట్లా అట్లా అట్లా ఇట్లా పట్టుకో ఇట్లా పట్టుకోమ్మా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా
So A value 3, B value negative 6. Yes. Next question. And moving on to 2C exercise. Yeah. 1 0 of the polynomial is 2 plus root 3. Find the other 0. A beautiful question. 1 0 of the polynomial of this polynomial is 2 plus root 3. We need to find out the other 0. We need to find out the other 0. Beautiful question. Any idea, children, from your side? Any idea? One zero. X square minus 4x plus 1 is a quadratic polynomial. So one of its zeros is 2 plus root 3. What is the other 0? What is the other 0? Anyone? Splitting the middle term. Etla? Into cheste 1 రావాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తే negative 4 రావాలి. How it will be? We need to get two numbers whose product is 1 and sum is negative 4. Right. Children, let alpha, beta are zeros of x square minus 4x plus 1. Let us assume alpha comma beta are zeros of x square minus 4x plus 1. In that, let us assume alpha is 2 plus root 3 and we need to find out beta. Is that right? Let us assume alpha is 2 plus root 3 and we need to find out beta. Okay, and we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Relation వచ్చింది కదా మరి. We got a relation na. We have a relation, sum of zeros is minus b by a. Okay. Now substitute the values alpha 2 plus root 3 plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus of minus 4 by 1. Minus of minus 4 by 1. So 2 plus root 3 plus beta is 4. Then beta is equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 3, which is 2 minus
root 3.
root 3. So the other 0 is 2 minus root 3. 1 0 is 2 plus root 3 given. So from that one we have to we find the other 0. 2 minus root 3. Understood, children? Okay, na? Now, find the zeros of x square plus x minus p into p plus 1. We need to find out the zeros of this polynomial. A very, very important question. Find the zeros of x square plus x minus p into p plus 1. How to find out its zeros? How to do it? So can anyone say what is alpha plus beta from this? What is alpha plus beta? Anyone, children? What is alpha plus beta? Darsh. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, Tanmay. -1, right? Minus b by a. -1. Alpha beta. c by a. Minus p times of p plus 1 by 1, which is nothing but negative p times of p plus 1. Now, we need to search for two numbers whose sum is -1 and product is this one. Okay. So what we have to do? So, x square minus px minus p plus 1 times of x minus p into p plus 1. Okay. You need to split this one as like this. No, sorry, plus. Even no need to find this alpha plus beta, alpha beta also. Why confusion? See, x square plus minus px plus p plus 1 times of x minus p into p plus 1. Splitting this one as like this. See here, minus p plus p plus 1. Minus p plus p get cancelled, you will be remaining what? 1. That is the idea. Minus px plus px plus 1x. Minus px plus px get cancelled, 1x is remaining, middle term. So middle term 1x we can write like this. Minus px plus p into x. Px plus 1x. Atla split chestam. Now from these two we can take common x. So x plus x minus p remaining. And from these two we can take common p plus 1. X minus p remaining. Again x minus p common. Remaining x plus of p plus 1. So p comma minus of p plus 1 are zeros of x square plus 1x minus p into p plus 1. They are the zeros.
Again I am saying this one, children.
See, middle term is 1x.
So how to split that one?
Minus px plus p plus 1 into x. If you simplify these two, what you will get? Minus p plus 1, you will get positive 1. So that is the concept.
Okay, na?
So the zeros of the given polynomial are p comma minus of p plus 1.
Right. Next question. Alpha beta are zeros of a polynomial such that alpha plus beta 6, alpha beta 4.
Alpha plus beta 6, alpha beta 4.
Okay. This is given.
We need to find out the polynomial. Alpha plus beta is given as 6. Alpha beta is given as 4. We need to find out the polynomial. Then what will be the polynomial, children? What is the polynomial? So no one is responding. Alpha plus beta given 6, alpha beta given 4. Then what will be the polynomial? Is anyone there in the class? Hello?
Hello?
No one is giving answers? If alpha plus beta 6 and alpha beta 4, then what will be the polynomial? I told you the formula. This is the formula to find out the polynomial. When we know sum of zeros and product of zeros directly. So you are not interested to join the classes tomorrow onwards, I will not. Why I have to waste my time? If you are not interested, don't join. Tomorrow onwards, I will not schedule the class. X square. So the polynomial is this one. X square minus 6x plus 4. If you are not interested, I will not schedule the classes tomorrow. Whoever interested, keep a message in the group, then we'll schedule. More than half of the class not joining. I will not schedule the classes. I will not say RS Agrawal. You study on your own. Why I have to take? Find the zeros of 6x square minus 3. What are the zeros of 6x square minus 3? Six x square minus 3, what are its zeros? Third form, ax square plus c form. Ax square plus c form. So what are its zeros? I told you na, x is equal to plus r root minus root over minus e by a. Everybody chadukotala. Everyone is acting. Everyone is acting. You feel that you will get very good marks. The 3 chapters. So I kept for PA1, they are damn easy chapters. That's why you got many marks. The coming remaining chapters are, you have to work hard. Not that much easy. So x is equal to plus r minus root over minus of minus 3 by 6. 3 by 6. 1, 2. So root over 1 by 2 or 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 are the zeros. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 are the zeros, not 1 by 2. Last question for today. 6x square plus x minus 2 is a polynomial. We need to find out the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. ఫ్రీగా చెప్తుంటే మీకు ఎవరికి అర్థం కావట్లా. ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్ ఫ్రీగా చెప్తుంటే మీకు ఎక్కట్లేదు బుర్రలకు కదా, డబ్బులు తీసుకుని చెప్పి ఉండాల్సింది. తప్పని చేశాను. I'm saying it freely, na? No value for it. And no respect also to the classes. How many are joined? 14 or 12? Out of 42. Six x square plus x minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. If alpha comma beta are zeros of this polynomial, you need to find out this value. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of this polynomial, you need to find out this value. So children, immediately you need to write what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta for every problem. Immediately. Given alpha comma beta are zeros of this polynomial, immediately you need to write these two values. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus 1 by 6. What is alpha beta? Minus 2 by 6. That is minus 1 by 3. We know alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. Na? So first we need to write those two values for every problem. Now look at this one. I can take LCM as alpha beta. I can take LCM as alpha beta. Now what I will get on the top? Beta plus alpha. On the top I will get beta plus alpha. Now beta plus alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta, na? So negative 1 by 6 and alpha beta negative 1 by 3. When you simplify this one, negative 1 by 6 into, it get reversed, 3 by negative 1. So these two get cancelled, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value is 1 by 2. And you are doing some nuisance over there. Whenever a problem is given to you, you need to do like this. Immediately you have to write alpha plus beta value, alpha beta value. Let us see. If I ask you to find out alpha square plus beta square, given alpha comma beta are zeros of this polynomial, find this value. If this is the question, alpha square plus beta square. Even then also you have to write what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta. Now alpha square plus beta square, I can write this one as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. Adding, subtracting same values.
Alpha plus beta whole square, alpha square, beta square.
So alpha square plus beta square ఎలా రాస్తున్నాను? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta immediately minus 2 alpha beta. Okay na? Sir, why you are doing like that? Because I can take this one as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha. So that I know alpha plus beta value and I know alpha beta value. Substitute negative 1 by 6 whole square minus 2 into negative 1 by 3. This becomes 1 by 36 plus 2 by 3. What is the result? LCM 1 plus 24. So 25 by 36. Not 13th and 9. Okay, if everyone comes in class 10, everyone attends, then only I will take the classes. Otherwise, tomorrow onwards, no need, I will not reschedule the classes also. Think and keep the messages in the group, children. ఇలా కూర్చుని ఖాళీగా కూర్చుని వెళ్ళిపోతాం, ఏదో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తామంటే ఎంజాయ్ చేసుకుని ఎండాకాలం సెలవు. I will not take classes. Why I have to take? Mahaganaadhipate. Your wish?
డోంట్ కమ్. ఇచ్చుకోండి 10,000 20,000 ఇచ్చుకుని ట్యూషన్లు తీసుకోండి. ఫ్రీగా చెప్తే ఎక్కవుట్ ఎవరికి, ఫ్రీగా చెప్తే ఎక్కవరా, డబ్బులు తీసుకోవాలంటే. Your wish. Don't come to the class. If everyone, all the 42 students are willing to come, then I will take the class. Otherwise, no. Even parents also, they are keeping the message, my daughter will not come to the class, my son will not come to the class. What I can do? Dhanyavad. Thank you.